पूज्य साने गुरुजी विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाचे कला विज्ञान व वाणिज्य कनिष्ठ महाविद्यालय शहादा येथे प्रविष्ट होणाऱ्या 11वी विज्ञान शाखेतील सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे मी प्राध्यापिका वीणा पाटील मॅडम सर्वांचे स्वागत करते. सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम. Friends, up to the 10th class, all of you study the subject of science, which can divided into two parts, first and second. But now in 11th science, it is a special faculty, and in which all of you study physics, chemistry, biology and math specially. I teach you a subject biology. First, I give an introduction of biology. Biology is a branch of science which deal with study of living organisms. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, that is bios means life and second one is logos means study, and biology means study of life. The word biology was first given by scientist G.R. Treviranus, but Aristotle is the first scientist who studied the living beings scientifically, like origin, occurrences, structure, organization, functioning metabolism, interrelationship, classification, inheritance, etc. And that's why the Aristotle is father of biology. Biology includes study of all living things, that is from viruses and bacteria up to the highly evolved plants and animals. Biology is divided into botany, zoology and microbiology. Botany means branch of biology which deal with study of plants, and the father of botany is Theophrastus. Second, zoology, the branch of biology which deal with study of animals, and Aristotle is called as father of zoology. And microbiology, the branch of biology which deal with detailed study of microorganism, is called as microbiology. Louis Pasteur is regarded as a father of microbiology. Biology is the study of living things, which include mainly plants and animals. Biologists study everything about living things. They study external form, structure, organization, classification, life history, inner relations, origins of living things. The study of each aspect constitutes a separate branch of biology. Thus, biology is the vast subject and divided into so many branches, that is disciplines. First, botany, the branch of biology which deal with study of plants, is called botany. Next, zoology, the branch of biology which deal with study of animals, is called zoology. Aristotle is known as father of zoology. Morphology, branch of biology which deal with study of form and external structure of organism, is called morphology. Next, anatomy. Ana means up and tone means cutting. The branch of biology which deal with study of internal structure of organism, is called anatomy. Physiology, the branch of biology that deal with study of all life process and functions of an organism, is called physiology. It includes the study of different life process such as respiration, digestion, growth, nutrition, excretion, photosynthesis, etc. It is called as plant physiology when studied in plants and animal physiology when studied in animals. Ecology. Next, ecology, the study of interrelationship between organisms and their environment is called as ecology. Next, embryology, the branch of biology which deal with study of events of growth and development of organism starting from fertilization of eggs and development of embryo is called as embryology. Next term is cytology or cell biology, branch of biology which deal with study of structure, function, reproduction, that is duplications and life history of cells is called as cytology or cell biology. Next discipline is genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deal with study of heredity and variations in organism. Mendel is known as a father of genetics. And next one is important, which is evolution, the branch of biology which deal with study of origin of life and process of gradual changes or transformation of simpler life form into more complex and specialized form is called as the evolution. Taxonomy, the branch of biology which deal with the identification, nomenclature and classification of organism. Next one is microbiology, branch of biology which deal with study of microorganisms. Example, bacteria, viruses, etc. Pasteur is known as a father of microbiology. Next, paleobiology. Paleobiology is the branch of biology which deal with study of fossils is called as paleobiology. Study of plant fossil is known as paleobotany and study of animals fossils is known as paleozoology. Biochemistry, branch of biology which deal with study of chemistry of various biological process and constituents of living system is called as biochemistry. Next term is biotechnology, study and utilization of technique using living organisms or substance obtained from them from the production of material useful to mankind is called as biotechnology. And last one is a molecular biology. It is branch of biology which deal with nature, physiochemical organization, synthesis and working of biomolecules like nucleic acid, proteins is called as molecular biology. Applied of these branches of biology, that is genetic engineering. In genetic engineering, it is the branch involve artificial synthesis of genes and its insertion into the existing cells is called as genetic engineering, and the science of manipulation and synthesis of new gene and also inserting new genetic information into existing cell is called as genetic engineering. Then biostatics, the branch of biology which deal with application of modern methods of statistics applied in the study of organism is called as the biostatics. Living things are quite different from dead and non-living things. It is in fact that organization that makes an individual livings. The aspect of organizations are aggregation of atoms to form the molecules, and some molecules lead to formation of various organic compounds. Some molecules and these compounds form living cells. Cells is a basic structural and functional unit of life. This cell produce tissue and the tissue produce tissue system. Tissue is a group of cell having similar structure, similar function and similar origin. Tissue system produce an organ and various organs form system. Various system form an organism. An organism leads to population. Various populations form a community. Various communities collectively produce an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a world. Living things are having a unique character, that are the cell is basic unit of life. They have a ability to respond. They have a highly organized. They are from nutrition, respiration, metabolism, reproduction, exertion and adapt to different environment. This is the unique character of living things. In our next lecture, we will study our first chapter, that is living world. In this chapter, we will study about basic feature of life and what are basic characteristic and function of life. Thank you.